Hello everyone, let's talk Maskandi lyrics. I want to talk about into encane noma ngabe ethi ungavumi ukulawula inhliziyo incane lento ekubuyisela emuva. Ungavumi ukulawula inhliziyo incane lento ekwenza inhlekisa. Ngiyacabanga his words are straightforward and to the point. What I want to add is, at the end of the day, fanele ube namahloni. Ulisabe madoda ihlazo. Uzicabanga ukuthi ngizihlambalaza kangakanani. Given ukuthi mina ngibhizi ngithi kuyodela inhliziyo. Isibindi that we have, angibazi abafana but mostly women. Angisho ukuthi abanaso. I've never had someone share istory kanja owesilisa with me. Athi umuntu ngibafica endlini, angisho ngolutho, ngithule nje, ngizenza isilima Sometimes kusuke kungasesiko ukuzenza isilima, usuke usuyisona, because ukushaya ngathi awubonanga is not going to make him want to love you better. It's not going to make him want to change. It's not going to make him not do it again. He's just going to keep doing it. When uhleli la lokuthi ngizophuma mase kudela inhliziyo angeke izidela. For as long as you staying and telling your heart ukuthi silinda ukudela, inhliziyo is still going to fall for his tricks. And you're going to keep staying. Umuntu akuphathe sokodoti. And sometimes in situations like that, uthola ukuthi kuze kube umfana who initiates a breakup, because khona umuntu asefuna ukuba serious nayo uyamphazamisa wena ngokuloku ubekezelela into akayibonayo wayena ukuthi ayisekho lento lo muntu ayihlalela, understand ukuthi uhlaleleni. So at some point nje lento ukuthi inhliziyo idela kalula kanjani ngendlela, that's something that I have learned. Inhliziyo nje ngendlela nje iyadela. And once a person is out of your life, that's when you see ukuthi I had exaggerated irole yalo muntu le empilweni yami. You start getting more peace. Aboma ngasekho, things ziyakhanya. Ubone ukuthi no man, I exaggerated the importance of this person in my life. Ubengabalekile ngaleyo ndlela, but because mina bengizibona ukuthi I hold